Hi there, this is John from woodmarvels.com, and today's project is a CNC crane that actually works. After you bought the project files from woodmarvels.com, this project just takes a few hours to complete from start to finish. All you need is 5 sheets of 500 by 400 millimeter, 6 millimeter thick material, 1/8 straight double flute bit, and I use a ShopBot desktop to cut this. You do probably want to let it dry overnight before you have it lift something heavy, such as this plane, which you'll see later on in the video. right, well, it's time for show and tell. Let me show you how strong this CNC crane actually is. So here it is pulling up one of my other models. And because it's wood, it's got the perfect amount of friction to keep things in place. So you don't always have to hold the handles. And again, it's a little heavy, but you can actually lift this thing up. Not a problem, and easily rotates as well. When designing CNC toys, always make your wheel pockets deeper and axles longer than you think you need. Don't forget to also make your axle holes within the body of your model larger as well for the perfect fit. Well, I hope you had as much fun watching this video as I did making it. You can find this and many other plans at woodmarvels.com. See you next video.